Okay, here is the Canon Autoboy Zoom Super overall conditions. Here is the battery compartment. You need to twist to open it. Maybe you can use the coin or something that can fit it to open. Yeah, and it using 2 CR5 battery. It's like this, and just put. After that, lock it by twist clockwise to lock it. Next thing, by open here to open the back cover. Then the film slide from the top to the bottom in order to let the film canister meet center part of the film canister meet the motor. Next thing, put the film tip to here. Yeah. Then make sure that your film is flat like this, and you just close it. It will auto load. Okay, now show figure 1, which means that now you can start shooting. On off button is at here, the bottom part. Then here is the zoom, and here is the shutter. Viewfinder is at here. Center point of the viewfinder there, got a bracket, so you just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus. Then half press. Okay, if it doesn't blink, means that it's okay, then just click it. If it's only green light, which means that it won't trigger the flash. If it's dark, like maybe I am out of place, wait. Okay, yeah, like this means that it will trigger the flash. So it will depends on the environment to adjust whether you need flash or not. Maybe if you zoom, also need flash. Yeah. Okay, because it's bright enough at there. Okay, and here is like the different mode. This one is continuous shooting. You can click. If you didn't release, it will keep shoot. Yeah, you see. Then this is, it will zoom by itself. Then okay, wait. So the mode is like this. Then the next is the time flash setting. Normally you just put it at default. It's like if empty means that it's default, which you can, it will fully auto yeah, because the camera will know whether this environment it need flash or not. If it don't need, then it won't trigger the flash in order to save the battery and also avoid overexpose. Yeah, and here is the timer. Yeah, when you click it, it will start counting already. Yeah, you see the red light start blinking. It's around like 10 seconds like that. Okay, so overall it's like this, and when you should finish, it will auto rewind. And here's the landscape mode. When you click it, it will automatically focus to the infinity. Yeah, and the lens is all good. If you didn't use it, close it. Then the back here is the date function, so you can do something like this to adjust it. It's not enough. Yeah, you click select, then when it's blink, then you click the set. This one is year, month, date. Okay, the format. Okay, if it doesn't until 2024, so you can change the mode by here, which is the date and the time. Then this is blank, which means that it won't have any date imprinting inside the camera. Yeah, so overall it's like this. Hope you enjoy it.